On Friday, 16th March 2012. On Friday, 16th March 2012. Get ready to sing it loud and proud. I am soca. I am soca. I am soca. Inside Plenty's Paradise, 992 Rogers Avenue, between Beverly and Tilden, Brooklyn, New York.
Carnival we going so and so, and so. Carnival we going so and so.
I am soca. Early bird tickets are only $10. Only $10 till sold out. So stop buffering and get yours now. For tickets and info, call 646-523-6576 or 347-248-8321. I am soca. Hosted by Cash Money Alliance, Southfest Crew, Team Takeover, and Rum Lords. Sweet soca music all night by GBM Sounds.
We having a time this year. Every line we there.
Close Connection.
Carnival. We fete with we buff.
And DJ Spice. I am soca. So come out and pump your flag. Come and wine. Come and get on by. Friday, 16th March. Inside Plenty's Paradise. Get ready to sing it loud and proud. It's all about I am soca. I am soca. Sponsored by dgrind.com, teamsoca.com, myradiolive.com, and hypefmhd.com.